Today at IMB Swampurna Goa program was there, so tell us about it.
See, the Swampurna Goa program, as you all know, inspired by the Atmanirbhar Bharat program of the Government of India, Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's program. The Goa's Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant has given a call for the Swampurna Goa program. Swampurna Goa 1.0 program is over. Towards the Swampurna Goa 2.0 program is formally launched. As you all know, the Government of Goa's thrust is more on the skilling, reskilling, upskilling, so as to ensure that people are self-reliant, people who are in need of some kind of training are given, who are trained can do some kind of business and can increase their lifestyle. In skilling, Government of Goa has done, probably it is first state in the India where the short-term courses for the people, boys and girls who are interested to undergo such courses are being started. Why I am telling this? Because ITIs and all other courses are governed by the Government of India's rules and regulations. So this is the Department of Skill Development in Government of Goa, who has done a lot of homework, and under this visionary Chief Minister Dr. Pramod Sawant, a new kind of programs which are very short-term courses, 3 months courses, 6 months courses, 1 year courses are being started. People who are already trained in the ITI, suppose they do not have confidence in their own trade which they have learned, they can undergo. People who have not done anything but they are 8th fail, 8th pass, 10th fail, 10th pass, they cannot go for the government job and they want to do some kind of these activities, want to venture into it, they want to have their own self-startup, can do this. So the major thing, this Swampurna Goa 2.0 program is skilling. As the call is given by them. The major thing today, Dr. Pramod Sawant, the Honorable Chief Minister, has announced that out of 237 Swampurna Mitras, there should be a competition kind of atmosphere within themselves. Whoever 100 will perform better, they will be awarded by the Government of Goa. Plus, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Honorable Chief Minister, has announced it that there would be a kind of a new scheme for bonus for the Swampurna Mitras and Taluka Nodal Officers, but it will be performance related bonus for them. So these are the two announcements he has made today. Skilling has been given more emphasis by the Honorable Chief Minister, and my whole team of 237 Swampurna Mitras, 25 Taluka Nodal Officers, plus a few officers from CMO, we are all committed and confident that we will take ahead the vision of the Honorable Chief Minister, and we are sure sooner or later we are going to make Goa self-reliant.
On the Swampurna Goa, what will be your message for the peoples?
Message for the people is, see that everyone is a nuclear family. In every family there is a boy or girl is looking for a job. Everyone cannot go for the government job. There are private jobs for which the government has been organizing state level Melas job fair, etc. Other than this, people who have no interest in say mathematics or anything, and they do not want to pursue the collegiate courses, there are enough courses are available at the polytechnic level, at the ITI level, and at the engineering. The beauty of these courses is this: if the vocational course is taken in 9th and 10th, you are half skilled, you are already made. And after this, if you want to study, the boy or girl can go for the lateral entry in the second year of the polytechnic courses. In the polytechnic colleges, if they have further to study, there is a lateral entry in BE courses in Government of Goa. Plus, there is a big scheme of the Government of Goa where further if a girl want to study in any one of the colleges where the parents cannot afford their studies, there is a interest-free loan is available through the Education Development Corporation in Government of Goa. So, none should worry. Either there is a government service which is very small part, there are other avenues which government is opening. Government is doing something unique in the country, because the boys and girls who wants to pursue some kind of, they want to venture in the startup, small or big, for them short courses are being started with the help of the Department of Skill Development. Is a big message for all the parents. They should keep a watch on these courses.
Even it's a training program, speakers are introduced Swampurna Mitra. So what did you say about it?
Pardon?
It's a training program, speakers are introduced Swampurna Mitra. So what did you say about it?
I did not get your point.
Speakers introduced as a Swampurna Mitra. So they are giving sessions on training program.
See, if the Swampurna Mitras, these are all very senior officers. They are class 1 officers. There are some even higher level officers who are Parivaishan. So certainly certain courses they can give training. But what I am talking about, the short term courses, is the Department of Skill Development is going to start. They are courses of technical nature where only experts will give them training, and we do have enough experts available in government of Goa administration.